Hello everyone. So, what is Wix? So, Wix is a beginner-friendly website builder, and it can make professional websites. It has premium plans for you to purchase so you can experience the website builder even better. But the good thing is you can use that website for free. Okay, so let's take a look at its website. So you just gotta type in Wix, W-I-X, Wix. Okay, and let's click the first option from the Google page. Okay, so this is going to welcome you. Okay, so you are going to create your Wix account. You can use your Gmail account or your Facebook account upon signing up, and you are going to be asked a bunch of questions. For example, what type of website are you going to create, and what are you going to indicate as content in your website. Okay, so this is basically a website builder. So if I answered your question through this video, please like this and hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much.